Hey Techies, welcome back to Local Techies Python programming series. I'm Amruth Bellala. Today we will be discussing on reserved words and various inbuilt data types in Python. Let's get started. In Python, some words are reserved to represent some meaning or functionality. Such type of words are called reserved words. Not only in Python, in any language there are some words that are reserved to perform some functionality. Say like in English, the word apple is reserved to represent or to identify a fruit, and the same word cannot be used to identify any other fruits. In similar way, we can't use the reserved words in Python as an identifiers. Python provides 33 reserved words, and if you see, all the reserved words all are in alphabets and all are in lowercase except the first three: true, false and none. Learning Python is about learning all these keywords, and there is also another way to view all the keywords present in the Python. For that, you have to open an IDE and just import a module called keyword. You may have a doubt that what is a module mean. As of now, just think module as a group of similar programs, and we use import keyword for importing the module into our code, and just call a kwlist method. And you can see here, these are all the keywords or reserved words present in Python. And now let's see what are the various inbuilt data types present in Python. First, what is a data type? Data type represents the type of data present inside a variable. Since Python is a dynamically typed programming language, we are not required to specify the type explicitly. Based on the value provided, the type will be assigned automatically. And 14 inbuilt data types are int, float, complex, bool, str, bytes, byte array, range, list, tuple, set, frozen set, dec and none. And we will be looking into each and every data type in detail. The first data type we are going to look is int. Why we use it actually? In Python, to represent integral or whole numbers, we use int data type. For example, a equal to 10, which is an integer number. And how to know that? In Python, to check the data type of a variable, we have an inbuilt function which is called as type of a. You can see the class is int, which means the type of the variable a is int. If you are coming from Python 2, we have a long data type to represent very large integral values. But in Python 3, there is no long type explicitly. We can represent long values also by using int type only. For example, a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 6, so on, which is a very large value. And if you check the type of a now, it is also int. And in Python 3, there is no data type called long. Even representing a large values, we use int data type only. And we can represent the int values in 4 forms: decimal form, binary form, octal form and hexadecimal form. Decimal is generally base 10, binary is base 2, octal is base 8, hexadecimal is base 16. The first form is decimal form. In Python, to represent integral numbers, the default number system is decimal form. The allowed digits are 0 to 9. The second form is binary. The allowed digits are 0 or 1. To represent a binary form, the value should be prefixed with 0b or 0 capital B. Example, A equal to 0B 11111 or A equal to 0 capital B 01010. The next form is octal form. The allowed digits are 0 to 7. To represent octal values, the value should be prefixed with 0O, small o, or 0 capital O. Example, A equal to 0O 123 or 0 capital O 123. In this case, if we exceed the value 7, we will be getting an error. Do you see that? Invalid digit 8 in octal literal is the error which we will be getting. And the next form is hexadecimal. The values allowed are 0 to 9, small a to small f, or we can use capital A to capital F. Example, A equal to 0x FAC. Or if we try to exceed the letters, then we will be getting an error, 0x FET. If you see here, we get a name error. Being a programmer, we can specify values in decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal form. But the Python virtual machine always provides values in decimal form. For example, I am providing a value in binary form. If I print it, it will be giving me only in decimal form. If we want to print the values in the same form, then we have to go for something called base conversion. Python provides 3 inbuilt base conversion: bin, oct and hex. Suppose I want to convert a decimal number into binary, then just type bin 15. Or I wanted to convert an octal number to binary, just provide the argument as octal number. And to convert the hexadecimal, just provide hexadecimal number as an argument. Similarly, to convert an decimal number into oct, just use a base conversion function oct and provide an argument as a decimal number. And for binary, and for hex, in similar way, to convert any number into hexadecimal, we use a function called hex. This is the converting of decimal number, converting of binary number, and converting of an octal number. Thanks for watching our video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Do follow our Instagram channel for exciting posts and quizzes. Thank you.